Hey everyone, today we're comparing two powerful contenders in the wet-dry vacuum market, the Dreame H14 Pro and the TCOS 7 Pro. Both offer robust cleaning performance and advanced features, but which one gives the best value? Let's dive in. At the time of this video, the TCOS 7 Pro is priced around $50 more than the Dreame H14 Pro. Despite lacking several key features, the H14 Pro offers superior suction power, advanced self-cleaning options, and a 180-degree LIF flat design, making it a better overall value for most users. When it comes to cleaning performance, the H14 Pro really shines. Its 18 kilopascal suction nearly doubles the 10 kilopascals of the S7 Pro, giving it a clear edge for picking up tougher debris and stubborn messes. Both vacuums feature dual-edge cleaning, mass detection, and solid liquid waste separation, ensuring comprehensive cleaning across multiple surfaces. However, the H14 Pro's 180-degree LIF flat design makes it easier to clean under furniture, something the S7 Pro can't do. Both models have a 40-minute runtime, which is enough for most household cleaning sessions. In terms of water capacity, the H14 Pro leads with an 880 milliliter clean water tank, slightly bigger than the S7 Pro's 850 milliliters. Meanwhile, the S7 Pro has a larger dirty water tank at 720 milliliters versus the H14 Pro's 650 milliliters. These differences are minor and unlikely to impact everyday use. Where the H14 Pro truly excels is self-cleaning. It includes dual rotation cleaning, hot water self-cleaning, and hot air drying with a rapid 5-minute dry option. The S7 Pro, on the other hand, requires more manual maintenance. Both vacuums offer smart app control, digital displays, and LED lights for better visibility in low-light areas, ensuring no dirt is left behind. In conclusion, the Dreame H14 Pro is the clear winner for users seeking powerful suction, advanced self-cleaning technology, and innovative features at a competitive price. The TCOS 7 Pro is reliable, but it falls short in key areas, making its higher price harder to justify. The H14 Pro delivers the best combination of performance, features, and value. Happy staying safe.